Happy birthday, Milea.
To mommy.
To mommy.
Mommy.
What will you say?
Thank you.
Nah. Happy?
Happy?
What? Happy what?
Happy birthday to mommy.
Can you sing?
Happy birthday. Santoka hamdada. Santoka hamdada. Tanhano dear Mark mommy. Santoka hamdada.
Very good. Yay! Guys, ito kami sa Texas. Say hi!
Hi.
The birthday girl. Hi! Kalahin mo, 4 na dekada na. 4 na dekada pa ulit. Tagal-tagal pa yun. Margaret, say hi! Margaret, here! Say hi! What will you say to mommy? Ha?
Lagyan mo nga siya ng plate.
Birthday mommy.
Okay.
Ito yung ano. Ayan po ang tirador ng brain.
What happened to my nose?
Stop, little girl, come help. Can't you see I'm eating?
How about you, Margaret?
Give me the blood.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. That's too much. Sa tapon, ay, tumapon. Naman.
Madala. Madali ko yung sa ilalim. Baka kulo.
Palutin mo ako.
Ano ba gusto niya?
How is it?
Para makahingi pa tayo.
Happy birthday, Mom!
What night? Will we walk around the mall? Pa?
Yeah, sure.
Right here? Ako talaga. Yes, you are the one. We need to celebrate.
Go, Mommy! Go, go! Yeah, yeah.
Happy donkey. Si Margaret na ba ako? Si Margaret.
Yung cowgirl, ano?
Cowgirl na. Margaret, please don't. Please don't. Listen na. Look at that. Go, go. One more.
Yeah! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo,
Nakita mo
mga
yung
outfit.
style. Nakita mo yung style. Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay!
Thank you.
Wonder Woman ka kasi. Oh, di ba? Oh. Wonder
Dapat
Woman
may
eh.
nilagay yung Wonder Woman toy.
Ha? Oo nga eh. Naghahanap ako actually. Wala akong mahanap. Wala akong
Toy!
mahanap.
Yung marble ko.
Oh, si Margaret, nag-istibis na naman. Happy birthday to you. Walis-walis din! Okay na. Bye-bye! Time to eat the cake.
Go slowly, slowly.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Oh wow, a piece of cake.
Yeah, you wait. Is your clean? Wait.
Wow!
Get it.
Wow! It's baby boy! Okay, happy birthday, Ma'am!
Dad.
Happy birthday! Batang-bata, taco rens! Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye-bye!